Welcome to Sifted. I'm Caleb. I'm going to walk you through our general rate increase impact analysis tool. This is a great example of what Sifted does to take something inherently complex from FedEx and from UPS and simplify it. So once we have your data loaded into our system here, it's very simple for us to run the analysis, and it's all done automatically for you. So if you're a shipper out there and you're worried about how the 2024 general rate increase is going to impact your business, I think there's a few things to keep in mind. The first of which is the announced general rate increase number or percentage. The announced GRI percentage from both FedEx and from UPS is 5.9%, but keep in mind that is on average. You can see the little asterisk mark here. What Sifted does is we go through using all of your historical shipments and the rules in which FedEx and UPS have announced the new general rate increase as, and re-rated basically your old shipment under the new rule to determine if you ship the same amount next year as you did this year, what's the total impact going to be for you? So you can see the announced GRI and then your effective GRI. So things aren't always what they seem, and do not take the carrier's word for it of the 5.9 being your increase. You can see from this example here, this 5.9% increase is actually a 8.5 almost percent increase with an overall impact of $175,000 increase. And this is where it's broken out in. So the 5.9 is pretty close on the base rate impact charges. Went up about 6.01%. But look at the accessorial impact. The accessorial impact includes additional handling fees, oversize fees, additional weight, pretty much all of these heavy movers down here that's tacked on each of your shipments to the carrier's increase in addition to the base rate increase. This is where I think there is a little bit of a dirty little secret happening with FedEx and UPS, with shippers that think that they're getting a good deal when in reality, after the GRI hits, they've got a substantial increase. In this example, this went up 13.15%, and that's the main driver that brings the overall effective GRI up 8.5% almost. You can scroll down here and see exactly the old versus new on each service level that you use and each accessorial charge. The actual cost versus the projected cost and the percentage increase on each individual item. Look at the increase on oversize fee. It's up almost 16.11%. Pretty crazy. This is additional weights up over 20% on this particular one. But you can scroll down and see each individual item. You can also sort this like a table in Excel. So if you want to look at total number of packages shipped and the impact to that, or scroll down to your accessorials and do the same thing there. We also make it really convenient by adding an export button on the upper right. You can export this straight into a CSV file format, pull it up from there. And if you have questions further on the different carriers, both FedEx and UPS, and their GRI rules, you can click on accessorial fees or the freight, and it will take you straight to their surcharge fee breakdown chart as well here, so you can identify some of that. But this is what's powering this impact analysis dashboard here. We hope this makes it really simple. If you're curious about getting access to this, reach out to us. We'd be happy to help you out at sifted.com. Thank you.